So there are absolutely a few things that these days can be effective in terms of contouring the body so that people feel more comfortable. And when I'm saying that, this is not for people who are overweight, who are obese, but for somebody who's had 2 or 3 children maybe and they just can't get rid of that paunch in their abdomen, then there are some devices that will work. Particularly cool sculpting, we know, is a very effective technique. Might take 1 or 2 treatments, but it's safe and effective, and the science behind it is brilliant. Now, on the other hand, there are a lot of other devices out there that are much less effective, where the science isn't particularly good, which are quite painful, and which result in outcomes which are unsatisfactory for the patient and frankly also for the practitioners as well. So again, get well educated. Even though cool sculpting is the predominant area right now, it's all based on bulk cooling or bulk heating. So there are definitely some radiofrequency and laser devices that can cause bulk heating these days, which are effective, maybe not quite as good as the cool sculpting, but there are developments, so hang on, because you never know, in a year or 2 there might be something entirely different which is even more effective. So keep that in mind. You can absolutely combine treatments with body sculpting, particularly when you're treating the submental fat region. There you might be using the Cool Mini to get rid of this, where you cool down the fat for 35 minutes or 45 minutes, and then after a few months you might have a few areas where there's a bit of excess. You can use some Kybella. It's a great product to use there. Deoxycholate is quite effective, again, even by itself, at reducing the fat in this region. So one of the most advanced techniques that's happened recently, one of the most useful techniques, is removing the fat in the submental area, which can actually make you look a lot younger. It's quite effective and safe. So both those techniques I think people should look at pretty seriously.